find your AI generated store, scroll down and find the Atlas theme. Go to the right-hand side and click on Publish. Click on Publish again. Let's scroll back up and click on Customize. And that's going to take you straight to your store's homepage. And the first thing I like to do is just go up to the top and switch it from desktop to mobile view. And this is because most people are going to visit your store from their phone. Now, if I scroll down here, we can get a look at our homepage, and again, everything looks really nice, clean, and professional. And like I mentioned before, you're able to edit and change out all the different sections here, just like you would with any other Shopify theme. Now, our homepage looks great, but we want to focus on our product page. To get back to your product page, go up to the top here and find your navigator, click into it, and we'll click on Products, and we'll find our product page here. Let's click on this. And now that we're back on our product page, there's another important thing that we want to make sure that we don't miss. Let's make sure we enable both the Atlas app and our Cart Upsells app. You can do this by going to the left-hand side here and finding your app embeds. Go ahead and click into it. And then we'll enable Atlas, and then we'll enable Atlas Cart Upsells. Doing this will make sure that everything is turned on and functioning correctly. And then just like we did on the home page, we're able to scroll through our theme editor here, and we can change out, add, or remove any of the sections that come with our theme. Like for example here, I could scroll down to my review section here, and to change out the reviews, I'll simply click on the section. And I can change Insert Review here to say, I love this product. And then let's say there's a section that I don't actually want. I could scroll up and, for example here, this block of text. I don't actually want this section. So to remove it, I'll click on the blue pop-up here. And then I'll simply click on the red trash can icon. And that's going to remove the section from my product page. So making customizations to your theme is as easy as that. You can dial it in and make all of the changes that you want.